Since our inception in 1945, Sunflower has steadily grown to become one of the nation's leading manufacturers of tillage and seeding equipment. With over 50 years' experience in soil and residue management, solid financial backing, and a total dedication to the production of high-quality, versatile farm implements, Sunflower is now leading the way into the 21st century. Utilizing high-tech advances in design and production, as well as rigorous field trials for new equipment, our research and development team is working hard to ensure that Sunflower products are the best around. Judging from the overwhelming favorable response of farmers nationwide, this dedication is not going unnoticed. But at Sunflower, we go even further, offering a 3-year limited warranty and a solid commitment to service after the sale. That's because at Sunflower, we are setting the standards for the 21st century.
This tape is divided into 9 segments. Reset your VCR to 0 now and use the product index shown on screen to locate the beginning of specific segments you would like to view.
The new 1233 disc from Sunflower is pound for pound and feature for feature America's best built disc. So if your farming operation demands a rugged and reliable disc harrow, then one of Sunflower's 1233 flexible tandem discs is the perfect choice to manage your tillage needs. Built tough with all welded tubular steel frames, 3-section flexibility, and a staggered overlapping disc gang arrangement, the 1233 will provide smooth, ridge-free tillage even when working rough or terraced fields. One of the reasons the 1233 is such a smooth working disc is that Sunflower mounts gauge wheels on the outer wing sections. The height-adjustable gauge wheels provide extra flotation and prevent gouging by the outside gangs, further ensuring smooth, even tillage. Dual wheels and large flotation tires are standard on the 1233 center section and are optional on the wing sections. In the field, the duals provide excellent flotation as well as outstanding depth control. On the road, the center section duals provide an extra measure of security, allowing the disc to be pulled even if one of the tires goes flat. The 1233's disc gangs are mounted to the frame with Sunflower's exclusive C-Flex bearing standards. The flexing action of the C-Flex standards effectively cushions gang assemblies from the shock of and potential damage due to buried field hazards. The trunnion bearings feature an advanced design that allows them to move and self-align as the hangers flex. This eliminates the possibility of wear between the bearing cartridge and housing, significantly increasing the field life of the entire gang and bearing assembly. Conventional bearings and rigid standards simply cannot match the level of protection provided by Sunflower's exclusive C-Flex system. Along with outstanding shock protection, the C-Flex system provides excellent trash clearance between the disc blades and the gang bar. Sunflower also mounts scraper blades on the backside of the C-Flex hangers. This keeps disc and scraper blades properly aligned at all times and lets the disc work through high residue fields without plugging. Disc gang options for the 1233 include 22 and 24-inch disc blades and 7.5 or 8.5-inch disc blade spacing. Ease of use is another important feature. All 1233 discs are equipped with a rephasing hydraulic lift system and precise single-point depth control. There's also an automatic transport lock that once the wing sections are completely folded, locks the disc in transport position. The user-friendly 1233 allows operators to level the frame front to rear with a manual or optional hydraulic adjustment. Once set, the frame stays level even if the operating depth is changed. Along with ease of use, the new 1233 discs are easy to maintain. To eliminate the need for daily greasing, Sunflower now puts new high-density plastic sleeves at the pivot ends of the rock shafts. Virtually impossible to wear out, the sleeves eliminate metal-to-metal contact, and are totally maintenance-free. The versatile 1233 is available in sizes ranging from 18 to 32 feet. In addition, each model can be equipped with an optional coil tine harrow that allows the 1233 to be used as a finishing tool in some applications. Performance, versatility, and value. It's all built into the new 1233. So if you're looking for a medium weight disc and want to make sure you're getting your money's worth, then a model 1233 from Sunflower is the way to go. Sunflower's new 1433 series discs were designed and built around the wants and needs of today's modern farmers. They're built tough with all welded frames made from high tensile tubular steel. These heavy wall frames will not twist or buckle, provide excellent flotation, distribute weight evenly, and give the disc the muscle to cut through hard ground and tough residue conditions. Sunflower has given the 1433 discs a staggered overlapping disc gang configuration. The aggressive 20-degree work angle of the front gangs cuts the soil cleanly across the entire width of the machine. As the front gangs cut and throw the soil outward, the rear gangs cut and return the same soil to the inside in a crisscross pattern. In addition, notched filler blades on the tapered rear gangs eliminate the furrowing problem common with other machines. All this, coupled with the 1433's three-section flexibility, ensures that you'll get smooth, even tillage without furrows or ridges, regardless of the terrain. The 1433 also has adjustable gauge wheels mounted on the outer wing sections. A Sunflower trademark, the gauge wheels prevent gouging by the outside gangs, further ensuring uniform ridge-free tillage. But when it comes to smoothing out a rough field, the 1433's walking tandems are the best thing going. Positioned between staggered duals, the unique pivoting action of the walking beams smooths out the roughest fields, eliminating the frame bumps and the uneven penetration common with machines running on conventional duals or fixed axles. 1433 discs also come equipped with Sunflower's C-Flex bearing standards. The flexing action of the C-Flex standards effectively cushions the gangs and bearings from the shock of rocks, stumps, or other field hazards. Furthermore, the ability of the trunnion bearings to move and self-align significantly reduces wear and increases the field life of the entire gang assembly. The C-Flex hangers also provide improved trash clearance between the top of the disc blades and gang bar, allowing the 1433 to work through high residue conditions without plugging. Designed to be user-friendly, 1433 discs feature a single-point depth adjustment conveniently located at the front of the machine. This single adjustment provides precise depth control across the entire width of the disc. In addition, all 1433 discs have a self-leveling hitch that allows the operator to level the frame with a manual or optional hydraulic adjustment. Once set, the frame maintains a level posture even if the operating depth is changed. Along with being user-friendly, these discs are easy to maintain. The pivot ends of the rock shafts are now equipped with new high-density plastic sleeves that eliminate loose joints, worn parts, and daily greasing. For even greater versatility, the 1433 can be equipped with an optional 3-row spike drag or 3-row coil tine and used as a finishing tool in certain applications. Available in sizes ranging from 19 to 35 feet, there's a 1433 disc that's just right for your farming operation. Easy to use and maintain, rugged, reliable, versatile. Sunflower listened to what you, the American farmer, wanted, and we built the 1433. The best built, best cutting, and best leveling disc around. We guarantee it. Featuring engineered residue clearance, Sunflower's 5000 series field cultivators are the perfect match for today's high residue farming. The 3-section 5034 and 5-section 5054 models feature computer-designed concepts that provide these new cultivators with unmatched structural strength, precision depth control, and maximum residue clearance. Starting with residue clearance, these new cultivators from Sunflower feature 5-bar frames that measure 139 inches in depth. There are 3 shank bars in front of the transport wheels and 2 rows behind. Shank spacing can be set up to fracture the ground every 6 inches in normal soil conditions or every 9 inches for use in arid conditions with minimal residue coverage. The computerized shank placement not only provides the cultivator with outstanding residue clearance, but also ensures uniform ground penetration across the width of the machine, leaving a smooth, level seedbed. Shank options include 190-pound spring tension or 2-piece S-tine shanks. Both shanks have 24 inches of vertical trash clearance, are made from 1 3/4-inch spring steel, and feature an on-edge design that reduces drag. To handle the high-stress loads imposed by tough field conditions and today's high-horsepower tractors, these new cultivators have all-welded frames made from 3 by 4-inch high-tensile tubular steel. In addition, extra heavy hinge joints, along with 1 1/8" grade 5 bolts, are used to couple the frame sections. These cultivators also come with rugged truss-style tongues that have a heavy center beam extending all the way to the rear bar of the machine. Engineered for structural strength, this tongue and frame combination controls rotational forces and distributes loads evenly across the entire width of the machine. As an added bonus, the tongue and hitch assemblies are equipped with a self-leveling system that, once set, keeps the frame level, even if the operating depth of the machine is changed. 5-section 5054 models come with gauge wheels as standard equipment. Mounted on the outer wing sections, the adjustable gauge wheels help control rotational forces in the larger machines by providing the wing sections with extra support. Gauge wheels also prevent wing section gouging, and when combined with 3 or 5-section flexibility, promote uniform, ridge-free tillage even when working terraces or rolling terrain. All 5000 series cultivators are also equipped with a rephasing hydraulic lift system and single-point depth control. An independent hydraulic cylinder on each frame section eliminates wear-prone mechanical linkages and provides positive, error-free depth control. What's more, operators can precisely set the depth for the entire machine from a single screw-type adjustment conveniently located at the front of the machine. Sunflower's unique walking beams, heavy-duty hubs, and large tires provide excellent flotation. The pivoting action of the walking beams eliminates frame bounce and the uneven penetration that is so common with machines running on fixed axles or conventional duals. 5000 series field cultivators come in sizes ranging from 18 to 63 feet and can be equipped with a variety of finishing attachments that assist with seedbed preparation and chemical incorporation. Best of all, these cultivators are 100% American-made and backed by Sunflower's reputation for quality, service after the sale, and a 3-year limited warranty. Look all you want. There's nothing out there that can measure up to Sunflower's 5000 series field cultivators. Listen up, farmers. How much time and money could you save if secondary tillage and seedbed preparation chores could be accomplished with one machine in a single pass, and on top of that, still meet all your residue requirements? With a 6000 series land finisher from Sunflower, you can do just that. Designed specifically for one-pass tillage, the land finisher will disc, cultivate, prepare the seedbed, and incorporate all in a single pass. What's more, these machines can be equipped to handle a wide variety of soil and residue conditions. The spring cushion disc gangs can be adjusted manually or hydraulically, allowing operators to respond quickly to changing field conditions. To control the amount of residue coverage, the gangs are equipped with 20-inch extra-low concavity disc blades. The land finishers are also equipped with Sunflower's patented disc gang reels. Mounted directly behind the disc gangs, the spiral-bladed reels eliminate lateral soil movement and provide ridge-free finishing even at higher speeds. In addition, the reels break up clods, mulch mixed soil and residue, and assist with incorporation. The land finishers feature computer-designed shank placement that ensures optimum trash clearance. There are 3 rows of shanks on staggered 9-inch centers. The shanks have 10-inch overlapping sweeps that completely undercut the soil across the entire width of the machine. Shank options for the 6000 series include 190-pound point-load spring tension shanks and 2-piece S-tine shanks that require little, if any, maintenance. Both shanks are made from 1 3/4-inch spring steel, feature an on-edge design that reduces drag, and have 24 inches of vertical trash clearance. To assist with seedbed preparation and incorporation, Sunflower manufactures a variety of finishing attachments for the 6000 series land finishers, allowing farmers to assemble a machine that's perfectly suited for their individual needs. Farmers can also choose from rigid and flex-wing models, ranging in sizes from 10 to 35 feet, making it easy to match a land finisher to the horsepower rating of your tractor. In addition, Sunflower has designed the land finishers to be user-friendly. 2- and 3-section models feature a single-point depth control that sets the operating depth across the entire unit. There is also a positive frame leveling system that maintains the frame's level posture even if the operating depth is changed. What's more, these frames are built exceptionally strong, providing land finishers with outstanding stability and ensuring even weight distribution in all kinds of terrain. Furthermore, 2- and 3-section land finishers can be equipped with Sunflower's walking tandems. The unique pivoting action of the walking beams coupled with large flotation tires eliminates frame bounce, resulting in smooth, even tillage and a seed bed ready for planting. When it comes to one-pass tillage, the new 6000 series land finishers from Sunflower are the total package. Put a land finisher behind your tractor, and you'll wonder how you ever got along without it. The word's out, and farmers are buying more Sunflower Fallow Kings than all other brands combined. That kind of overwhelming response should tell you a lot about the confidence that farmers have in Sunflower's 3000 series Fallow Kings. Specifically designed and built for fallow maintenance, the 3000 series can accommodate a wide variety of soil and residue conditions. They have proven their worth all across the Great Plains, effectively functioning as primary and secondary tillage tools. In addition, the versatility of these machines allows them to function as a finishing tool in both high and low residue conditions. The 3000 series Fallow Kings feature 2 rows of staggered shanks, which are spaced on 20-inch centers. To ensure maximum weed kill, the shanks are equipped with 26-inch overlapping hard-face sweeps that completely undercut the ground across the entire width of the machine. The computer-engineered shank and sweep placement ensures that all tire tracks, including those of the machine, are undercut by the back row of sweeps. With the Fallow King, you can work rolling terrain or terraces and run at shallow depths without worrying about scalping or skipping. That's because each of the 7-foot frame sections is equipped with sturdy hinge couplings that give these machines the flexibility to closely follow ground contours. Furthermore, each frame section is equipped with Sunflower's unique walking tandems. The pivoting action of the walking beam and large flotation tires smooths out rough terrain, allowing the Fallow King to maintain consistent operating depths. In addition, 4 through 7 section machines come equipped with gauge wheels mounted on the outer wing sections. The adjustable gauge wheels not only help control rotational forces in the larger machines, but also eliminate wing section gouging. The The Fallow King's treader assemblies feature height-adjustable mounting brackets, variable work angle settings of 15 and 20 degrees, and have an overlapping configuration that provides continuous weed-killing action across the entire unit. The advanced design of the treader teeth and super-aggressive action of the treader wheels results in highly effective weed kill and superior chemical incorporation. The rolling treaders also aerate the soil and create a mulch mixture that provides erosion protection and conserves topsoil moisture. Optional conservation treaders are also available for the Fallow King, featuring fewer and less aggressive teeth. Conservation treader wheels are ideal for use in arid conditions where compliance requires less residue disturbance. 3000 series Fallow Kings are also equipped with rephasing hydraulic lift systems that eliminate wear-prone mechanical linkages and have rock shafts mounted above the frame to reduce lift torque and improve the Fallow King's trash clearance. Setting the operating depth of these machines couldn't be much easier. A single screw-type adjustment at the front of each Fallow King precisely sets the operating depth across the entire unit. Frame leveling is also made easy. A handy ratchet jack located on the hitch levels the frame front to rear, while easily accessible screw-type adjustments level the wing sections laterally. When it comes to fallow tillage, Sunflower's 3000 series Fallow King can't be beat. Just ask a farmer who owns one.
We've used this Fallow King for about every operation from primary tillage to seedbed finishing. It has quickly become our number one secondary tillage tool on our wheat and milo dryland farming operation. We have also decided that it's about the best we can find for seedbed preparation, and it's steadily becoming one of our very important primary tillage tools.
3000 series Fallow Kings. They are highly versatile, tough, reliable, and Sunflower backs the entire line with a 3-year limited warranty. Sunflower blade plows outsell all other makes by a staggering 19-to-1 margin. Quite obviously, the quality that Sunflower builds into these machines has not gone unnoticed. But along with quality, Sunflower also offers choices. Choices that allow each farmer to custom tailor a machine to individual requirements. For instance, Sunflower's 3000 series blade plows are available in 10 models, ranging in sizes from 14 feet 4 inches all the way up to a mammoth 55-foot machine. In addition, the 3000 series machines can be equipped with 5, 5.5, or 6-foot V-blades. The V-blades, along with large 22-inch coulters, are mounted to a hinged frame section. The frame sections are made from high-tensile tubular steel and have rugged, greasable hinge joints. The all-welded frames will not twist or buckle and distribute weight as well as load forces evenly all the way from the wide-based hitch to the outermost wing sections. The flexible frames allow the plow to work flat, rolling, or terraced fields without scalping or skipping. In the field, the coulters cut the ground and residue immediately ahead of the plow standards. This lets the soil flow easily around the standards as the V-blades with minimal residue disturbance cleanly undercut the soil. What's more, the blades and standards can be equipped with ammonia tubes that allow operators to combine fertilizing with plowing. Mounted directly behind the V-blades are the plow's unique treader wheel assemblies. The advanced design of the treader teeth and aggressive action of the treader wheels results in highly effective weed kill and superior chemical incorporation. In addition, the rolling treaders aerate the soil and create a mulch mixture that not only provides erosion protection, but conserves topsoil as well. The treader assemblies also feature adjustable spring-loaded mounting brackets and variable work angle settings of 15 or 20 degrees. Sunflower blade plows can also be equipped with optional conservation treaders. With fewer and less aggressive teeth, conservation treaders work well in arid conditions where compliance means less residue disturbance. For transport to and from the field, all 3000 series blade plows fold hydraulically and are equipped with easy-to-use transport locks. Frame leveling is just as easy. Adjustable swivel linkages provide positive leveling across the machine, while easy-to-reach adjustments at the front of the blade plow level the frame front to rear. The frame, coupled with inline wheel placement and large tires, provides excellent flotation, ensuring uniform tillage depth regardless of the terrain. When it comes to blade plows, Sunflower has left nothing to chance with the 3000 series. They are rugged, reliable, versatile, and an excellent value. That's why Sunflower blade plows have been the overwhelming choice of High Plains farmers for nearly 40 years. Looking for the ultimate coulter chisel? Well, look no further than Sunflower's 4200 series trash mulchers. These are the machines that were picked as the #1 coulter chisel in America by a panel of farmers at a recent Farm Progress show. Not too surprising, because Sunflower has packed a lot of experience and engineering know-how into the 4200 series trash mulchers. We've given them rugged, rock-solid frames made from 4 by 6 by 3/8 inch heavy wall tubular steel. In critical stress areas, specially engineered gussets provide the extra strength needed to handle the toughest field conditions. What's more, these heavy frames do not require ballast, with the total weight of the machine coming from the structural members. Sunflower also made the frames longer and increased the distance between shank rows, resulting in much improved residue flow. To handle really tough residue conditions, frame extension modules can be mounted on the rear bar. The extra length and staggered shank configuration further improves the machine's trash clearing ability. Operational frame bounce, a long-standing problem for competing machines, has been eliminated with the 4200 series. Walking beams with a unique pivoting action and large flotation tires smooth out the roughest fields, eliminate frame bounce, and allow the trash mulcher to maintain consistent operating depths. Up-front coulter gangs with 20-inch blades on 7.5-inch centers easily cut through hard ground and heavy residue. The spring cushion gangs can be adjusted manually or hydraulically while on the go to compensate for changing field conditions. In wet conditions, or when the coulters aren't required, the gangs can be raised completely out of the ground to save on horsepower and blade wear. The 4200 series trash mulcher can be individualized to meet operational needs. 4212 models are available in 7 through 15 shank models. Or if a larger machine is what you need, try one of the 4232s. These 3-section flexible trash mulchers come in 17, 19, 21, and 23 shank models. 4212 and 4232 trash mulchers can be equipped with rigid shear bolt shanks or auto reset shanks. In rocky soil conditions, the auto reset shanks are the best choice. These shanks trip and automatically reset when point loads exceed 1,500 pounds and have a vertical trip height of 12 inches. In obstruction-free ground, Sunflower's rigid shear bolt shanks can go deep to break up compaction and aerate the soil. The rigid shanks feature specially designed clamps that will retain the shank even if the shear bolt gives, and have a maximum operating depth of 12 inches. Both shank types can be equipped with 3 or 4-inch twisted shovels or 2-inch straight points that allow operators to fine-tune the amount of residue coverage. For enhanced soil conditioning, Sunflower also offers 3 different finishing attachments for the 4200 series. So now, in a single pass, eliminate compaction, aerate the soil, conserve moisture while reducing erosion, and leave your fields in great shape for spring operations. That's why farmers just like you have picked this as the best coulter chisel in the country. The 4212 and 4232 trash mulchers from Sunflower, America's first choice in tillage equipment. With heavy front-mounted coulter gangs that cut crop residue and deep-till ripper shanks capable of fracturing the soil to depths of 16 inches, Sunflower's 4000 series coulter rippers are the ideal tool for fall tillage operations. The 4010 and 4110 provide deep soil penetration with minimal residue disturbance, just what today's conservation-minded farmers are looking for. These machines are at their best in tough, high-residue conditions. With 20-inch blades set on 7.5-inch centers, the coulter gangs will slice through hard ground and heavy residue with little effort. Handy ratchet jacks allow for manual depth adjustment of the coulter gangs, while optional hydraulic cylinders provide on-the-go depth control. The coulter gangs are also equipped with wide-channel iron trash bars that clean out dirt and residue. In fields with minimal residue cover, the gangs can be raised completely out of the ground, saving on blade wear and tractor power. Spring cushion mounts protect the hydraulic cylinders from shock, while the flexing action of Sunflower's exclusive C-Flex bearing standards effectively cushions the gang assemblies from the shock of rocks or other field hazards. Sunflower engineers specified 4 by 6-inch heavy wall tubing for the coulter ripper's frame and truss-style tongue, and 6 by 8-inch high-tensile tubular steel for the rear V-bar. With special gussets in high-stress areas, these rugged all-welded frames will not twist or buckle no matter what conditions you run them in. The combination of front-mounted coulter gangs and rippers on a V-shaped rear bar provide the 4000 series with unmatched stability, totally eliminating the jerking and seesaw action that is so common with other makes. The coulter gangs, with their 7.5-inch blade spacing, break up surface clods, and while slicing through hard ground and heavy residue, effectively stabilize the machine. In addition, the V-shaped design of the rear bar and narrow profile of the ripper shanks not only makes the coulter ripper easier to pull, but substantially improves residue clearance. Shank systems for the 4000 series bolt directly to the V-bar and can be equipped with either manual or auto reset shanks. Manual reset shanks feature selectable point load settings, with 3,500 pounds of point load the maximum. Replaceable 2-inch shank points are standard, and hard-faced points are available as an option. Auto reset shanks also have adjustable point load settings, with 5,100 pounds being the maximum point load. These shanks have 16-inch trip heights and will reset automatically. The auto reset shanks come with hardened bushings and pins, as well as maintenance-free plastic sleeves that extend the field life of the entire shank assembly. Both manual and auto reset shanks have 34 inches of underframe clearance and can be mounted on 24 or 30-inch centers. 4010 coulter rippers are available in 4, 5, and 7 shank models, while 4110 models come in 7 and 9 shank units. 4110 models can also be equipped with Sunflower's unique walking tandems. Undoubtedly the best system around for eliminating frame bounce, the pivoting action of the walking beams levels the roughest fields, allowing the coulter rippers to maintain consistent operating depths. Developed as part of Sunflower's fall tillage lineup, the 4000 series coulter rippers are highly versatile machines that will eliminate compaction, aerate the soil, prevent wind and water erosion, and improve subsoil moisture retention. But what else would you expect from Sunflower? The company with a total approach to fall tillage and residue management. With the ability to move quickly and easily from conventional to no-till applications, Sunflower's 9400 series grain drills can deliver a hard-hitting 1-2 punch to your planting costs. There's no need for a second drill. Simply increase the down pressure of Sunflower's exclusive universal opener and move from a prepared seed bed right into wheat, soybean, or corn stubble. These new openers from Sunflower feature down pressure settings ranging from 90 to 250 pounds. The adjustments are easy, positive, and very consistent. What's more, each opener can be individually adjusted. This allows the down pressure of openers running in tire tracks to be increased selectively and maintains uniform planting depth across the width of the machine. The opener's parallel link mounts have dual tension springs that provide up to 8 inches of vertical travel. This allows each opener to closely follow ground contours and protects the opener blades from the shock of unexpected field hazards. Sunflower's universal openers also ensure perfect seed placement. 2 precision-mounted cutting blades easily cut through heavy residue and tough soils, providing a clean, narrow, and firm seed trench. In addition, a patented soil control device scrapes the outer blade surfaces and prevents soil blowout by the opener blades. Backed by spring steel, the flexible high wear strips also redirect soil back into the seed trench and improve residue flow around the opener. This allows the drill to work at higher speeds in both no-till and prepared seed beds, making you more productive. Sunflower also offers 5 different press wheels that are designed to work with a variety of seed applications in both conventional and no-till operations. The press wheels and openers can be set on 7.5, 8, and 10-inch centers, which allows for the planting of a wide variety of seed grains. What's more, Sunflower drills do not need nor do they use coulter blades to perform zone tillage in front of the openers. This ensures that the seed trench is not contaminated by trash and other residue that would otherwise be hairpinned into the soil by the coulter blade. Sunflower's 9400 series drills are available in 2 models, the 9431 folding drills and the 9411 3-point mounted drills. If you've got a lot of acres to plant, the 9431 is your best bet. These drills come in 30 and 40-foot widths and feature flexible wing sections that allow the drill to work over terraces and rough terrain without skipping. What's more, the large, heavy seed boxes have been staggered, letting the sections flex without smashing together when working uneven terrain. This staggered configuration also lets the drill fold hydraulically to a transport width of only 13 feet 10 inches, which in most cases is no wider than your tractor. Sunflower builds the 9431s extra tough and equips them with a rugged 3-axis hitch. The added flexibility provided by the hitch improves the handling of these 30 and 40-foot machines, especially when working in rough terrain with fully loaded seed boxes. 9411 models are available in 10, 15, and 20-foot widths. These drills will adapt to either a Category 2 or 3 hitch and can be mounted directly to your tractor. For operators preferring a pull-type drill, an optional hitch converts the 9411 into a pull-type machine that can work behind almost any tractor. Both the 9431 and 9411 share the same dependable drive mechanism. The floating drive wheel is spring-loaded to ensure constant soil contact. And when the drill is raised, a friction brake stops the wheel immediately, eliminating seed waste. The 9400 series drills also feature easy and precise seed rate adjustments, durable nylon seed cups, and folding hydraulic markers. In addition, each seed box has full-length lids that open wide and lock in place, a sight glass for visual reference while on the go, and non-skid fold-up walkboards provide sure footing during loading operations. The seeding technology of the future is here now, and it doesn't matter if you're going conventional or no-till. You need only one grain drill, a 9400 series from Sunflower. If you would like additional information on one or more of the products shown, please contact your local Sunflower dealer or call 1-800-748-8481.